We began the Tiger AO4 project 1 year ago, where we put the first shovel in the ground. And behind you, what you see is our ISBL unit.
The ISBL means inside battery limits, and the OSBL is obviously outside battery limits. The ISBL is the unit itself, and the OSBL is how you get your products off the site. The module assembly strategy is essentially building modules on site, which lets you build essentially your entire unit, the ISBL, on the ground. And so that's a huge safety consideration to essentially put all of those work hours that would have been done several feet in the air on the ground. What it also lets you do is bring forward in the schedule all of that work. Typically you would have to let civil finish to get out of the ground before you start any of that work. And so by doing a pre-assembly strategy, you're able to bring on the steel and piping disciplines about 6 months ahead of time. And so that advances the strategy and enables higher productivity.
As Turner, we're very familiar with modules. We're actually been building modules for 15 years. If we wouldn't have built modules, we wouldn't have been able to put on pipe or steel till January this year. So it allowed us to actually get about 35% complete on steel. We put up about 1,600 tons. We put up about 65,000 lineal feet of pipe ahead of time. And we're roughly about 20% complete on piping. So without it, we'd have been way behind on our schedule.
What makes it unique to this project is that we had enough room to do our modular fabrication on site. Therefore, we were in control of construction labor, the materials coming in, without having to depend on shops outside of the project.
It's really real out here. People look out for one another. They don't want to see anyone in harm's way. They don't want to see anyone get hurt, and they really want to help out. And I think that's a measure of success, and that's how this project, and one of the reasons why this project's so successful, because everyone works very well together and everybody's here to help.
Shell has set up a gold medal alliance for this job. The members of the alliance are Turner, the construction contractor, Jacobs, the engineering and procurement contractor, and of course Shell. And this alliance has set some goals. One of the goals is to bring this job in under budget by as much as $100 million or more, and to bring it in on schedule. We're on target for both of those.
Shell has really set this job up for success by having what we need to be able to bring people in and keep them happy.
AO4 project that we want to leave here as a legacy is one that's going to be top class in quality, reliable, and one that's safe to operate.
The AO4 project is setting the gold medal standard for all the other projects.
This is the 4th alpha olefin unit here at the site, which will now be the largest scale alpha olefins producer in the world.
In my career, I've been on a lot of large projects, and I can honestly say that this is the best run, best organized project I've ever been on.